How to fix slow download speed on EA app. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix slow download speed on EA application. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open any type of preferred browser. Here in my case I'm using Google Chrome. Then here simply on the search menu search for EA support. Search for it. Then here go to the first site. Then here on the bottom right corner you can see a chatbot. It is like a robot type, so simply click onto it. Then here simply ask your question that you have. Here as you can see I have asked how to fix slow download speed. Then it has given me a list of suggestions. It has given me a list of solutions to it. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem, and you could ask a fix to the official chatbot. It will be more helpful than the solution that I tell you, because it's an official solution provided by the team itself. Then not only this question, but if you have any other problem, then you can simply ask it and it will give a solution to you. So in this very simple step you could find the solution to your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.